Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a grocery haul that I want to show you. I just did a Walmart pickup order. So I've got that I wanted to show you, and then I'm also going to just be doing some general cleaning motivation. It's kind of going to be like my evening cleaning routine, but we have a little bit more than what typically needs to be cleaned every evening. So I don't think I'm going to call it an evening cleaning routine because there's a little bit more to it than that. I got some laundry I need to get folded. The house in general is kind of a big mess. So we're going to get some cleaning done, but before I do that, I want to show you guys what I picked up from Walmart. Okay guys, so this is the overview of what I picked up at Walmart. I just did a Walmart pickup order. And this cost, it was I think $198 something, so pretty much $200 almost evenly. So we'll start over here. So I got these flour and corn blend tortillas. There's 10 in this bag, and they're the large tortillas. I personally like the flour and corn blend the best. I'm not sure why. I just like the texture of them. I really like. And then I got one of these loaves of bread. This is the Dempster's Ancient Grains with quinoa. Then I got this bag of rotini noodles. These are only like 97 cents, so really cheap. And these are the perfect shape, like Dawson can grab them really, really easily. So I like that shape for him. Then I got 2 boxes of the white cheddar macaroni and cheese, Great Value brand, and 2 boxes of the extra creamy Great Value macaroni and cheese. Then I got 2 of the Flamin' Hot Cheetos mac and cheese. I picked up a bag of these tortilla chips. I really like these tortilla chips. They're light and crispy. Like, they're not once again, something about the texture of them. They're a little bit like crisper than a normal, I don't know, tortilla chip. Anyway, I got this huge thing of Great Value brand margarine. And then just from the other section they had this dual Clean and Clear Morning Burst. This is face wash, and then there's also a nighttime relaxing one. It came in a duo, so a daytime face wash and a nighttime face wash. Then I just got this Dove deodorant, and this is in the Shea Better scent. Then I got this packet of extra firm plain tofu. They had these chicken breasts on sale, 2 for $20, so I picked up 2 packs of those. So that is 8 chicken breasts in total. Then they had this huge package of chicken thighs on for $8.78, so that's a really good deal. Down here I picked up 6 Roma tomatoes and a bushel of bananas. Then up here we got one of these Mio liquid water enhancers. That, although, you know what, I'm just realizing I also ordered a Tang flavored one and it never came. Interesting. I got these Quest protein chips for my boyfriend. He's been trying to do keto, and he's had these before and liked them. I thought this was a big bag, but apparently not. So I'll have these chips and he'll have these. Then we got this formula for Dawson. So this is like a 2-pack. Then this huge thing of grape tomatoes. Both my kids love grape tomatoes. Then over here I got a liter of egg whites, and I got a huge thing of chocolate chips. So this is, how many are in here? 775 grams. This is quite a big bag, so do some baking. I got a thing of soy sauce, Great Value brand. Then I got Danino yogurt drinks. And then over here I got a packet of garlic puree, and then a bag of these yellow onions. They gave us these. I ordered a package of strawberries and they didn't have them, so they substituted with 2 of these packages of organic raspberries, which we got for the same price as the strawberries, which is awesome. And then we got 4 Gala apples, 2 English cucumbers. Sorry you guys, Dawson in the back is playing. And then I got this huge pack of baby carrots, a 3-pack of bell peppers. I probably should have bought 2 of these because we go through bell peppers like crazy, but And then I also have this huge thing of oranges. There's quite a few in here. And a iceberg lettuce, a pack of celery. I got this. Yeah, I didn't see, I'm missing things. My goodness. So I got this vanilla flavored Greek yogurt. I also got just a plain Greek yogurt that I never got. I'm gonna have to go through and check my receipt. And then we got this pack of frozen baby Brussels sprouts. We got 1 liter of 1% milk, and then way in the back here, we got these 6 romaine hearts. So quite a bit of stuff for 200 bucks. But like I said, I'm missing a couple things. I'm gonna have to go through my receipt and see if I actually paid for those things, or maybe I thought I added them to the cart when I didn't. So anyways, let's get into the cleaning now. So I am going to kind of start to go through my evening cleaning routine with you guys. So typically this would all be done before dinner. So these are actually dishes from earlier in the day that I'm going ahead and doing. So I'm unloading the dishwasher. We ended up going into the city today, as you guys saw, with the Walmart order. So I didn't have a chance. We left fairly early in the morning, so I didn't have a chance to unload the dishwasher. Typically, I like to unload the dishwasher first thing in the morning. That way I can be adding dishes into it all day. But I didn't have the chance to do that, so I'm going to go ahead and do it now. I have not made supper yet, so I want to get the kitchen clean so that I have like a nice clean space to work with while I eat supper. So this, while technically this is also part of my evening cleaning routine, because after dinner I would do this same thing all over again. I guess I'm just kind of showing you a bit earlier. So I haven't made dinner in this before this clip yet, but once dinner is done, I would go ahead and do this all anyway. So I'm just showing you that. And then I typically, after the kitchen is clean, then I will go into the living room and do all of the cleaning there, because I like to start every day like fresh. So we'll move into the living room after this. But this little corner here had just gotten, I had like all these books fall over, and then my recycling was starting to overflow. So I just started packing it up on top of the counter. I needed to take care of that, obviously. So I went and took the bin outside and was able to get rid of all that recycling. So I have a nice clean corner there now. I was in a rush this morning, and then all those books fell over, and I was just like, oh, I'll worry about it later. So I also have a little, as you guys can see here, this little basket in the corner. That's all like of laundry, and I like to keep that little basket there because it's so easy to just like, you know, toss kitchen towels whenever you're done with them. Just toss them in that little basket, and then once that's full, take that to the laundry. So anyways, so now I'm going to fill up the dishwasher with the new dishes, and then I'll have a nice clean sink, nice clean kitchen, and I can of course make it dirty again with the dishes from supper, because it's just a never ending cycle apparently. I just honestly feel like I'm constantly unloading and loading that dishwasher. It's just a never ending thing. As soon as you finally get it done, then it's time to start doing it all over again. So now I'm going to move over into the living room, and this is the time now. It's been after supper, and now we're actually in my evening cleaning routine. And I always like to clean up the living room because I like starting the next day fresh. So I'm putting away all the kids' toys, and I like to get it vacuumed and set up the couch all nice and do any laundry, anything that needs to be done. I'd like to get it all done in the evening so that the next day I can wake up, I have a nice clean space, I can enjoy my coffee on the couch in the morning, read my book if my baby allows me to, and just like relax. So I always like to start with a clean slate the next morning. I'm sure I'm probably not alone with that. But I'm going to go ahead and close the curtains, and I want to make up my couch now, and then we're definitely be vacuuming in here as well. And then this entertainment unit, you guys can see, it has started to just like collect things. So I need to go ahead and clear that off as well, because we've just been putting stuff there. So I want to clean that off once again, so I have a nice clean space for the next day.
In London, drunk at night, in LA, picking fights. I think we have done it all. She knows me in and out, love of a different kind, but we still have no control. 'Cause when the daylight comes, we're just good friends, baby, good friends, hanging on. When the daylight comes, we're just good friends, but like lovers.
Now, I did have a couple of loads of laundry this evening, so this isn't something I would typically do every single day, but whenever I have a load or two, then I'll sit down and I'll either just throw on a podcast or an audiobook or whatever, YouTube video, and it helps to I find laundry to be really relaxing. I don't like the act of actually switching over the laundry and bringing it downstairs and upstairs. I'm really lucky my boyfriend does that, but I do like folding laundry, and I also hate putting it away, but I like folding it because it's just like time where I can sit there and just kind of zone out, listen to whatever I'm listening to on my phone, and just relax a little bit.
When the daylight comes, we're just good friends, baby, good friends, hanging on. When the daylight comes, we're just good friends, like lovers. On the weekend, on the weekend, will we hang on, or will we end just like this? Will we find home, or will we stay just like this?
Okay, so like I told you guys earlier, we did leave in quite a hurry this morning. We had to leave early, so I didn't get a chance to make my bed in the morning. And I really like getting into a made bed. I find it helps me sleep better. I just feel more comfortable, and I'm not tangled up in the sheets. Once you've had a couple of nights of not making your bed, like your sheets get all tangled up, I hate that feeling. So I do like getting into a made bed. So even though it is after supper already, I'm going to go ahead and make up my bed and clean my room so that I have a nice clean room to fall asleep into. Because also I find I struggle with insomnia, and it's really hard for me to fall asleep in a room that's messy. So I do like to try to keep my room clean because it's a lot easier for me to fall asleep in a clean area.
City lights are making me wanna be something else than I'm meant to. Spending time reminiscing of what it used to be, not letting go when I want to. Wishing I'd be all alone. I got about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we